going on, fellow YouTubers? All right, during this time of social distancing, I thought I would pop in and say hey to everybody. Let you guys know that our website for Eco-Trans gas-powered bicycles was launched today. So if you're in need of a completely assembled gas-powered bicycle shipped to your door, we can do that for you. Or if you're in the market for an engine kit and want to do it yourself, we can do that for you too. Also here on our YouTube page is a series called DIY. Those videos are to help you install your engine kit on your bike. Hopefully they're helpful. If you haven't seen those already, check them out. All right, just because you got to do a little social distancing doesn't mean you can't get out and about by yourself, at least to break the monotony of being stuck inside. So I'm lucky enough that I have a place to go ride where it's not crowded and there's no people around. As you can see, it's pretty much just me. It's all about me. All right, well, I just thought I'd give a shout out so people could see that the website is up. For those who have asked about it, it is finally taken care of. Took a little longer than we thought due to, well, our social situation at the moment. But we got it out and running today. Feel free to join our email list and or keep an eye on it because we have a lot more products we're going to be adding in the future. It is springtime. As you can see behind me, the sun has disappeared. I don't know why I have the glasses on still when the sun disappeared, but there you have it. But anyway, we'll be posting our safety stuff, good lights, tail lights, nothing cheap. Oh, got a guy walking his dog. If I only knew how to flip the camera and check that out. Where'd he go? Thought somebody was creeping up on me for a second. Where was I? Oh yeah. Well, you can check out the website once again. The address to it is just like the YouTube page. Eco-Trans gas-powered bicycles.com. No forward slashes. You don't even have to hyphenate it. Just one straight word. Eco-Trans gas-powered bicycles.com. Check it out. It's starting to mist a little rain now, so I guess I'm going to get moving forward. But at least if you have a gas-powered bike and there aren't a bunch of people around, you can practice your social distancing and get out of the house for a little bit. Even if it's only for 5 or 10 minutes. That's pretty much what I'm shooting for. All right, take it easy. Have a good afternoon. And I'm going to get out of the mist.